Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to another Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about dividing polynomials using synthetic division. So let's have this example. Let's divide x squared minus 2x minus 24 and x plus 4. So in dividing polynomials using synthetic division, we will first get our divisor and equate it to 0. So let's get our divisor. Our divisor is x plus 4 and let's equate it to 0. Then solve for x. So let's transpose positive 4 to the other side of the equation, giving us x is equal to negative 4. And negative 4 will be our divisor. So let's place our negative 4 here and that will be our divisor. So for our dividend, we will get the coefficient of our polynomial x squared minus 2x minus 24. So let's get the coefficient. So first term, we have positive 1. Our second term is negative 2. Our third term is negative 24. Okay, then let's proceed to our synthetic division. Next step is for us to bring down our first term, which is positive 1. So bring down positive 1. Next, let's multiply 1 to our divisor, which is negative 4. 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. So let's place it here, negative 4. Then let's add negative 2 plus negative 4. So since they have the same sign, copy the sign and then add. So 2 plus 4 is 6. So that will be negative 6. Then let's multiply negative 6 to our divisor, negative 4. So negative 6 times negative 4, that is positive 24. Okay, positive 24. Okay, then let's add negative 24 and 24. That will be 0. Now, let's identify our leading term. So to get our leading term, let's focus to our first term of our polynomials. So we have x squared divided by x. So let's get their quotient, x squared divided by x. And their answer is x. So we will start our leading term with x, followed by a constant, and our last term will serve as our remainder. Therefore, since we don't have any remainder, our quotient for these two polynomials will be x minus 6. And that will be our final answer. Alright. Ta-da! And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.